Already, so this is my water softener. This is kind of like a magic box to me. I have no idea how it works. The only thing that I see here is that this comes from the water system and goes in here, does something. I really don't know how this works, to be honest. Or maybe, I don't know, man. I don't know. Really, I really don't know how this works. So if water comes in here, how does it go back to soften the whole system? Yeah, whenever I look at this, I just have more and more questions. So regardless of that, all I know is that I just have to add salt in this bucket. Keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't get low, you know. So but for the past 2 years I haven't cleaned it out, so it had like a little bit of dirt here, so I had to basically clean it. So this was a towel that I used to clean it. Look at how dirty it was. So it was a little dirty in here, so what I did was I also caulked. I found out where the dirt was going in, so goes in through here, so I used like a silicone to close it off, so hopefully it would never get nasty again, but we'll see. So, and I have 4 new bags of salt to add into it, and yeah, that's basically what we are doing. Basically I emptied out the whole system, wiped it out with this rag. Not even sure if that's the way to do it, but clean it out, emptied out the water. This was the old salt, so this was how much salt that I had in there. Not a lot, right? Not a lot. So emptied it out, and now I am adding fresh new batch of salt here. So that's basically what we're doing. I think I will come back either tomorrow or next to check up on if suddenly or magically there's water in here, because obviously I emptied out all the water in here, so I don't know how water will even get in there. This in here is still a little bit nasty, but I really don't know how to clean it out. It's so tight in there that I have no idea. It looks like this is some kind of valve here, or a floating device. Yeah, like I said, this is really a black box for me. I have no idea how it works. So how I add it, I basically open up the bag, and dump the salt in there. I am trying to be careful so all this dirt doesn't go in there. Yeah, it still looks pretty good to me. All right, that's the second bag. You know what, I'll be shocked. Like, I'm curious to see when I come back tomorrow or next week if there will be like a puddle of water here. Okay, I'm trying to be super careful so I don't add some dirt from here. All right, so that's a lot of salt, and I'll come back next week or tomorrow. I'll take a look tomorrow. If there is no action, then I will give it a week and see what happens. But yeah, basically clean it out, wiped out this area. I did stain this deck here, I guess when I was spray, I used like a spray paint to apply the stand. So I guess when I was doing it, some of the stand paint got in here. But I mean, this is just cosmetic. So I'm not going to add this one back. I will leave it somewhere here just to see, because I want to see how this monitor. Then I wiped this off as well, some stand paint, but nothing to do about it. Then cover it, and that's it. Yeah, so this pipe goes into this system, the Rensoft system here. So it goes in here. So this is, I know you have to reset it every once in a while. This is a creepy place. I don't know if you can even see what I'm doing. Push for manual regeneration. I don't know. I just pushed it. Alright. Yeah, this is really really a black box for me. Oh well. Yeah, I need to do more research on it, because does it even work? Is there supposed to be another pipe that serves as the inlet, and this will be an outlet here? If you notice here, there's nothing here. Yeah. All right. I think I need to do more research on this, man, because the fact that there's only one pipe here makes me feel that this is not doing anything. But I might be wrong, because at least there should be like an inlet and outlet. But I might be wrong. All right, we'll see. I'll look into it and see what happens. All right, we'll come back next week and check on it.